Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda.
Question says find the magnitude of resultant of OA vector, OB vector and OC vector. Means this is the OA vector, this is the OB vector, this is the OC vector. We have to find the resultant of all three vectors need to be calculated. Let's calculate. Here the OA vector can be written as R I cap. If I take this as my x-axis and this I will take as the y-axis. And similarly OB vector can be written as R j cap, where R the radius of the this. And OC vector can be written as its two component R cos 45 degree R by root 2 I cap plus R sin 45 degree R by root 2 j cap. And resultant of all three you want to do, then you have to add this one. Then we got the resultant vector, that is R, OA plus OB plus OC will be equal to R into 1 plus root 1 by root 2, 1 plus 1 by root 2 I cap plus R times 1 plus 1 by root 2 j cap. This is my resultant vector. And if I want to calculate its magnitude of this I want to calculate, then I have to the x component square, I have to the y component square and take the square root of this. So resultant ka magnitude is equal to root 2 times r into 1 plus 1 by root 2. If you simplify this will come out to be r times of root 2 plus 1. This is my magnitude of the resultant of the three vector OA vector, OB vector and OC vector. This plus this resultant will be in this direction. This we could have solved by another method also. First we have added these two also. We could have added these two. Then we could have got R I cap plus R j cap. Their resultant like this. This will be root 2 R will be there. So one root 2 R is there here, another R is there. So root 2 R plus R is equal to root 2 R plus R equal to R into root 2 plus 1 is the resultant between the three vectors.